I'm back with my beautiful you. This time, a discussion about sensitive skin. How do we know that our skin is sensitive? Do you feel your skin is too shy or touch me not kind of thing? Then your skin is definitely, you have a sensitive skin. Sometimes the skin, you're using a particular product and you feel the skin stings or burns. In that case, the skin is allergic to a particular product. You may stop using that, but that doesn't mean that the skin is sensitive. When you go out in the sun and the skin gets completely burned in a few hours after the exposure, then the skin is very sensitive. It is sensitive to the ultraviolet rays of sun. So you need to take some extra protection in the sense, use a big hat, and then you can use big glasses, and also use a proper sunscreen, preferably recommended by a dermatologist. When you are washing the skin and you're using too much of warm water, avoid that, because you might feel itchiness or the skin tends to become very dry. So a lukewarm water in place of warm water is highly recommended. Sometimes the skin, when it is excessive dry, still the sensitive skin with excessive dryness tends to get breakouts. It does get breakouts. So how does that happen? When the skin is excessive dry, it starts producing oil, and this oil that is being produced, it clogs the pores, and when the pores get completely clogged, you get breakouts. In that case, some kind of spot treatment with tea tree oil and witch hazel is highly recommended. We must not use the therapeutic oils like peppermint or cinnamon or clove. When the skin is sensitive and you have breakouts, you must not use clove, peppermint or cinnamon because it inflames the skin. So the skin needs to become calm, and it has to be a very soothing and very cooling effect. It needs that. So tea tree and witch hazel are better options. When you are using, when the skin is very sensitive, always remember to use a very gentle cleanser. A gentle cleanser is something which is not harming the skin at all. The skin never get flushes. The skin won't get flushes. The skin won't flare up. So use a gentle cleanser. And use products which are hypoallergenic, dermatologically tested. Sometimes you see that the skin has got, the skin surface is very thin and you get broken capillaries, small blood vessels around the nose and the cheeks. That is because the protective layering is not enough in the skin. The skin is too thin. So in that case, some extra care needs to be taken. Be very particular about the creams, moisturizers and the cleansers that you are using. Also remember that you may feel that the skin is very itchy and flecking is happening. That is not the sensitive skin. It is because of a dermatitis. Dermatitis in the sense could be that is due to eczema. In that case, medical treatment is required. Skin problems like rosacea, skin problems like eczema, they do not indicate that the skin is sensitive. But yes, when there is broken capillary around the cheeks or nose, yes, the skin is very sensitive. The skin, when it is very dry, it is very sensitive. When the skin gets burned completely due to the ultraviolet exposure, yes, it is very sensitive. So protect your skin properly. Use lukewarm water, gentle cleanser, mild products. And also one more thing that I would like to share, the fragrances that are being used in the products, sometimes they cause real harm to the sensitive skin. Avoid the fragrance filled products. Avoid fragrances. Use fragrance-free products, mild products, hypoallergenic and dermatologically tested products. I'll come back soon with more tips about skincare. Till then, bye. Love you.